NSSF consumer studies show 18% of new sidearms suffer from factory failures, but we found 9 that score a near zero failure rate. It is incredibly frustrating to open a $650 gun box, take it out, and it fails on your first range trip. You just spent a lot of hard-earned cash on a tool meant for protection, and instead, you get a frustrating paperweight. This is a dangerous gamble no one should ever take. We wanted to remove all the guesswork from finding a reliable sidearm. By analyzing NSSF buyer satisfaction data, we tracked down these 9 specific guns that users say have zero issues right from the factory. Number 9. Springfield Armory Hellcat. This tiny powerhouse completely disrupted the market for hidden carry guns when it first hit the shelves. For a very long time, if you wanted a gun small enough to hide under a simple t-shirt, you had to settle for a gun that only held 6 or 7 bullets. That was a huge problem for people who wanted more protection without carrying a heavy brick on their belt. This model fixed that problem overnight by packing 11 bullets into a flush magazine, and 13 bullets if you use the slightly extended base plate. Consumer studies praise this model because tiny guns are usually famous for jamming. Because the parts are so small and tightly packed, the springs have to be incredibly stiff, which often leads to bullets getting stuck on the feed ramp. But buyers reported zero issues with this model, even when shooting cheap practice ammunition. It features a special U-dot sight system on the top, making it very easy for your eyes to line up the target quickly. At a price of around $500, it offers an aggressive grip texture that feels like soft sandpaper, ensuring it will not slip out of your hands if they get sweaty. It weighs just 18 ounces, meaning you will probably forget you are even wearing it. Number 8. Heckler Koch VP9. German engineering at its finest. This striker-fired masterpiece is famous for having one of the absolute best triggers ever made right out of the box. A big challenge for many gun owners is finding a grip that actually fits their unique hand shape. If a gun is too big or too small, you will not shoot it accurately. This model solves that completely by coming with 27 different grip combinations. You can swap out the back straps and the side panels to make it mold perfectly to your palm. According to NSSF data, buyers love this gun because of its insane durability and comfort. It holds 15 or 17 rounds, depending on the magazine you buy, and it usually costs around $750. One very unique feature is the little plastic wings at the back of the slide called charging supports. If your hands are wet or you do not have a lot of arm strength, these little wings give you something to grab onto so you can pull the slide back with zero effort. It is a feature you do not see on many other brands, but it makes a world of difference for everyday users. Number 7. Beretta 92FS. You have probably seen this exact Italian classic in hundreds of action movies, but its real-world performance is no Hollywood myth. This is a heavy all-metal sidearm that served the United States military for decades. Because it is made of solid metal instead of plastic, it weighs around 33 ounces. That extra weight is actually a massive benefit because it absorbs the kick of the gun, making it incredibly smooth and easy to shoot fast. The biggest reason this model has zero reported issues in consumer studies is its open slide design. On most guns, the metal slide covers the entire barrel, leaving only a small window for the empty shells to eject. If a shell gets caught in that little window, the gun jams. On this model, the top of the slide is completely cut away. There is nowhere for an empty shell to get trapped. It simply flies out perfectly every time. You get 15 rounds in the magazine, and you can usually find it in stores for around $650. It is a bit too big for most people to hide under a shirt, but it is the ultimate choice for keeping in a bedside safe for home defense. Number 6. CZ75B. A true legend born in the Czech Republic, this all-steel wonder has been heavily copied by other brands, but rarely matched in sheer durability. The biggest challenge with traditional handguns is that the heavy slide sits very high above your hand. When you shoot, that height acts like a lever, snapping your wrists upward. This model fixes that issue with a very unique design where the slide rides inside the frame, rather than wrapping around the outside of it. Because the slide sits so low inside the frame, the gun barely kicks at all. You can shoot 16 rounds as fast as you can pull the trigger, and the sights barely move off the target. Consumer surveys show that buyers are blown away by how accurate this gun is right out of the box. It is a heavy gun at 35 ounces, and it costs around $600. The NSSF data shows that because of its solid steel construction and tight build quality, parts simply do not wear out. You can shoot thousands of rounds through it without cleaning it, and it will just keep spitting empty shells without a single hiccup. Before we move on to the top 5, please make sure to subscribe to All About Survival so you stay updated on the most reliable gear on the market. Number 5. Walther PDP. Finding a plastic-framed pistol that fits perfectly molded to your hand is hard, but this German model achieved exactly that. For years, people complained that modern handguns felt like holding a square block of wood. This brand listened to the complaints and created a grip that is widely considered the most comfortable in the entire industry. It swells in exactly the right places to fill the empty space in your palm. What makes this model stand out in consumer reliability studies is its massive, deep cuts on the slide, called super terrain serrations. They grab your skin so well that you can rack the gun easily even while wearing thick winter gloves. It also comes ready to accept a red dot sight right out of the box. Buyers reported 0 issues with the trigger, which breaks like a tiny piece of glass at exactly 5 pounds of pressure. Depending on the size you pick, it holds 15 or 18 rounds and comes in at a price of around $650. It is incredibly easy to take apart and clean, making it a favorite for people who hate complicated maintenance. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. American police officers have trusted this rugged sidearm for years, and civilian consumers are reporting the exact same flawless experience. The problem with early plastic guns was that they felt cheap and would bend slightly under heavy use. This model fixed that by embedding a rigid stainless steel chassis inside the plastic frame. This makes the gun incredibly stiff and strong, which prevents moving parts from binding up when the gun gets hot. The NSSF consumer data highlights the aggressive texture on the grip. It feels like medium grit sandpaper. While that might sound a bit rough, it means the gun stays locked into your hands perfectly, no matter how much the gun kicks. It holds 15 to 17 rounds, depending on the frame size, and it is very friendly to your wallet at around $500. It also features an improved flat-face trigger that makes shooting accurately very easy. People who buy this gun report that it eats the cheapest, dirtiest steel case ammunition you can find without ever failing to fire. Number 3. Sig Sauer P320. The modular design of this firearm completely changed the game, allowing you to swap out grip modules and calibers in just a few seconds. Usually, when you buy a gun, you are stuck with the size you bought. If you want a small gun for summer and a big gun for winter, you have to buy 2 completely different guns. This model solved that expensive problem. The actual registered part of the gun is just a tiny metal box that holds the trigger parts. You can pull that little box out and drop it into a tiny plastic frame, a medium frame, or a massive, heavy frame. Because of this brilliant design, the United States military actually chose this exact system to replace their older handguns. Consumer studies confirm that civilian buyers have 0 issues with its reliability. It holds anywhere from 15 to 21 rounds, depending on the plastic grip you choose. The price sits at about $600. Buyers love that they can clean the internal parts so easily because the whole trigger group just pulls right out in one simple piece. Number 2. Sig Sauer P365. Concealed carry changed forever the day this tiny 10-round miracle was announced to the world. Before this gun existed, a gun this small could only hold 6 bullets in a single straight line. This brand invented a completely new type of magazine that staggered the bullets just enough to fit 10 rounds into the exact same tiny space. It completely destroyed the sales of almost every other small gun on the market because no one wanted to carry 6 bullets when they could carry 10 in the same size package. Consumer reports are glowing. Small guns are notoriously snappy and hurt your hand to shoot, but this model uses a double spring system that completely eats the heavy kick. It comes standard with special sights that glow bright green in the dark, so you can easily see where you are aiming even in the middle of the night. It usually costs between $500 and $600. Buyers report that even after keeping it pressed against their sweaty bodies for months on end during hot summers, the finish does not rust, and the gun fires without a single malfunction. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 6. It is basically the universal standard by which every other modern handgun is judged today. If you ask any firearms instructor what a beginner should buy, 9 times out of 10 they'll point to this exact 9mm compact model. The biggest problem with many sidearms is that they have way too many confusing buttons, safety switches, and levers that can get you tangled up during a highly stressful situation. This model removed all of that nonsense. There are no external safety switches to forget about. You just draw the gun, pull the trigger, and it goes bang every single time without fail. The NSSF consumer studies consistently show this brand at the absolute top for mechanical reliability. It has a reported failure rate of 0% because the design is so incredibly simple. Fewer parts mean fewer things that can break when you need them most. This newest version brings some major changes to the table compared to older generations. They shaved the weight down significantly to exactly 20.11 ounces empty, making it incredibly light to carry all day without your belt sagging. The barrel is now exactly 4.02 inches long, and the overall width sits at a very comfortable 1.35 inches, which helps it disappear under a t-shirt. It still gives you a solid capacity, holding 15 rounds in the magazine plus one in the chamber. While the MSRP jumped up to $745, buyers agree the long-term market value holds strong because of how impossible it is to destroy these frames. The updated internal parts make the trigger pull incredibly smooth right out of the box, completely fixing the heavy trigger pull older versions were known for. You can bury this gun in mud, freeze it in ice, or drop it in sand, and it will just keep firing perfectly. Make sure you subscribe to All About Survival for more tests on the best gear you can get.